Cold tape hits. Distant train sounds. A heartbeat enters slowly. Fragments in motion, scattered across the avenue. Broken conversation, still echoing after you. I saw your reflection inside a passing subway door. For half a second, you were mine once more. Night cafes and blurred out strangers laughing underneath dim gold lights. I keep collecting tiny ruins from every unfinished night. Your cigarette smoke curled like paintings above the jukebox glow, and every song kept bleeding secrets nobody else could know. Fragments in motion, spinning through my head. Tiny little explosions of everything unsaid. Fragments in motion, drifting endlessly, like shattered constellations, still orbiting me. Rainwater running down old leather, taxi tires beneath the bridge. I still hear your velvet whisper, balanced on the edge. Every touch became a photograph, every kiss a fading scene. Love can turn to abstract colors in the hands of memory. Maybe broken things survive longer because they never fully disappear. They just keep changing